Hello guys, today we're going to be doing pressure cooker salsa chicken. So you need a couple of ingredients you're going to need to start with is obviously chicken. So what I did was I bought 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, and then we're going to put it in the pressure cooker, and then we'll do some seasoning. So first thing, grab them up, wash them out, and you just put them inside the pressure cooker. Throw them in there, and then we'll season them when we get them all nice and in there. Nice in there like that. I got the game on in the background. You guys might be able to hear it. At this video taping, it was 2020 divisional playoffs. So you know about that. So we get the chicken into the pot, and then we're going to season the chicken. Obviously, you season it the way you want. So, put a little salt in it and things like that. So yeah, just gonna season it here. Seasoning. Cup and a half. Which might be this whole thing. Yep, pretty much is. Yep. Dump that in. Nice and delicious. You want to just make sure it's all smooth around in there. Try to get it all out in there. Like this, like so here. You just kind of mix it around and make sure it's all over salsa chicken, you know, just kind of mix it in there. Stir it up nice. Take the pressure cooker. Make sure it's on lock on sealing here. There we go. So we're gonna lock it in. Make sure it's in sealing area. Make sure it's in sealing, which it is. Then we want to go to pressure cook. I want to take this to normal. Let's see. How long? 15 minutes. Make sure it's locked in. And we'll let it cook, and then we'll come back in and shred the chicken. So that tab actually goes down, what you just did. So yeah, you just keep turning it, turning it, turning it. And then here's the finished product. Put it on a tortilla, add a little bit of lettuce, some taco cheese, spread that on there. And any other topping you want, like, you know, you want to do tomatoes, you know, you do that too. Add a little bit of bacon because my son likes bacon bits. And that's it. I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's nice and good. Good eating. And it's easy. Real quick meal. I'm Fred Cash, and that was Single Dad Recipe.